League of Women Voters for hosting the event tonight, and thank you, Louise, for moderating. The questions were interesting, and as always, I welcome the dialogue. For the past 2.5 years, it's been my pleasure to serve the Township as being a member of the Township Committee, and the honor of leading the committee in 2014 and 2015 as mayor. Throughout that time, we have had some issues to deal with, some of which, as I've mentioned, we discussed here tonight, and many other issues that take place in the course of normal business and very often are critical but go unseen or unnoticed. First and foremost, we at the municipal governance portion of your tax bill are responsible for a small overall portion, around 17% or so. But living in the highest tax state in the country, the statement, every penny counts, has never been more true. I am ever mindful of the fact that we have ratables in Chatham Township that start at $200,000 or so and go as high as $3.2 million. No matter where your household falls on that spectrum, each comes with their own set of challenges. When I became mayor in 2014, I stated that my guiding principles when evaluating issues would be, what is the need, at what cost, and what are the alternatives? This guiding principle has allowed us to stay on a path of fiscal responsibility that my predecessors started. Passing the torch, I am proud to say that we have had no tax increase for the municipal portion of the tax bill for the past 5 years, and in 2015 we'll see a tax rate reduction. Chatham Township's tax rate at 0.28 mils stands at the same level as 2007, unheard of in New Jersey. I am proud of the many other accomplishments that could only be made possible by the hard work of the many members of our boards, committees, commissions, and volunteers, as well as our dedicated municipal employees. I could go on, but one of the many questions I often get, well, the first question lately is, you're running again? What, are you crazy? But that is usually followed by, do you enjoy it? My answer to that is, well, it does require time, and on occasion you have to deal with some unpleasant things or make difficult decisions. But I have met some wonderful people that I otherwise would never have had an opportunity to meet, get to know, and develop friendships. And every once in a while, you get to really do some good things for people by helping residents with a problem or an issue they may have and have been unable to serve.